guys, I want to show you a really cool presentation tool that you can use as an alternative to a PowerPoint or a video presentation, It's called Powtoons. So the way that you can access it, you just come here to Google, and you type in Powtoons. And the first thing on the list that shows up is what you're going to select. You will have to log in. If you have not used Powtoons before, you'll have to use your school Gmail account to create an account. And then after that, you should be able to just log in with your Google Plus every time you want to access it. So once you get logged in, get your profile set up. It's free, and you shouldn't have to type in any of your personal information other than a Gmail account, maybe your first name. But it'll pull up a page that looks like this. So now we can start creating. You can either choose to create from scratch, so you can make your own Powtoons video, or you can come up here to templates, which if this is your first time using Powtoons, I would recommend starting with a template. Just because it creates something clean cut and already, kind of fancied up for you a little bit. You can select whatever category. They have a whole bunch of different templates you can choose from. There's a teacher version, also a student. Student is probably the best place to go. So you can look and scroll down and see some of the different presentation templates that they have available. And whenever you decide which one you want to pick, you just toggle over it and you just select use. You can also preview it if you want to see what the different slides and videos look like before you select it. And then just like in a PowerPoint presentation or a Google Slides presentation, you'll be able to edit and manipulate the different features they have on the slides. So your slides are over here on the left-hand side of the screen, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time going over how to edit it. It's very similar to other presentation tools you've used, so you can click in areas and edit the font and the text that way. But there's also pictures you can change and kind of customize it to fit what you need. When you're done with your Powtoons presentation, your video, I would strongly recommend previewing it before you submit it. So just make sure that the video has enough time on each slide so that the teacher can grade it and read everything that there is on it. But when you're ready to submit it, you come up here and you select Preview and Export. This is also another place where you'll be able to preview your presentation so you can see that, the video is playing right now. I didn't edit anything on it, so this is still the template that was given to me. Let's say you're happy with it, you're ready to go. You're going to come down here and select Export. It'll bring up a screen that looks like this. We are going to select this Create button because I want you to get a link, a shareable link that you can submit into PCX. So you're going to select Create. And then you'll have to fill out a few things. So you might want to change this to be the title, Social Studies Module 1 Project. Okay, so title it something that you'll be able to remember what that video was created for. So category, I would pick education, and you do want to make it public. The next thing you're going to do is hit the next button. And basically, it'll default the settings that you're available to use. So there is a version of this that you have to pay for. Don't pay for it. Use the free version. And you'll have to have these certain things selected. So don't worry about anything when you get on this screen. And then you're going to select Export Powtoon. And then it's going to take a little minute. And it's going to tell you, congratulations, your Powtoon has been published. And now you're going to get a link that you can now go in and share with your teacher. And you do that by coming over here. And if you toggle over this, it says copy the URL to the clipboard. You're going to click on that. And basically that means that you have it copied. And all you have to do now is go to PCX. Oops, it logged me out. But you'll just go to PCX. And go to the assignment name or the assignment that you're submitting this for, and you'll just paste that URL into the comment box. Also, for those of you who use your Google Drive, you can automatically save your video into your Google Drive, which is another great place to keep it just so you have a spot for it. So I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with this presentation tool. It's awesome. I highly recommend it. So thanks for watching.